Okay, welcome back. We are opening up more of my Christmas countdown calendar. So as a reminder, I have two of these. One is from Adam Sews and one is from Sunny Path Fabrics. Both of these are 12-day countdowns. So I'm opening them up every other day, but I'm a little bit behind. So I should be opening I haven't opened my second or third box and it's already the 6th. So today we're going to open 2 days worth of goodies and I'm super excited. So we're going to start first with Adam Sews box. And as a reminder, we got this really cool webbing on day 1. So now I'm going to find day 2 and day 3. And I keep forgetting that he is actually wonderful and has labeled them every other day. So I'm actually was looking for the packages of 4 and 6. So here we go. Here's package 4. And I don't know, feels cool, feels hard. Like maybe it's a little zipper charm or something. Oh, it's Adam Sews thread conditioner and some candy canes. Ooh, it's peppermint. It's peppermint candy cane thread conditioner. Oh my gosh, how fun is that? I use thread conditioner when I'm doing EPP, and I'm calling these exotic candy canes because they traveled across the ocean to get to me. So pretty fancy on day 4 for that. And let's see, day 6 now. I had to pause for a minute because I was like, is this a 6 or a 9? But 9 is odd, so we wouldn't have a 9. Ooh, and some really cute bias binding. Can you see that okay? It's got more stars. I'm sensing they're not pretty close to day 1's pattern there. Is it exactly the same? It is exactly the same. So neat. So we've got bias tape, we've got the webbing, and a really nice smelling thread conditioner. And that is where we stand so far, 3 days into the Adam Sews box. And now let me grab my next 2 fat quarters, because I think this box that I have here from, I have to look it up every time because I have the worst memory. Every time from the Sunny Path Fabrics, I think this is all fabric, which I'm really excited about. Okay, and as a reminder from the Sunny Fabrics, the first thing we got was this really cute Christmas fabric, and I stand corrected because this is not fabric, day 3. So day 2 feels like more fabric. Ooh, it's a nice, ooh, I like this one a lot. I like this one a lot, especially because this doesn't read Christmas completely, but it could be used as Christmas. It is a red with flowers and like little leaves and maybe, I don't know what else, but yeah, like just like a florally thing. Why do I like this? 1, because I love flowers, and 2, because I love solids. And this reads solid but has a print on it. So big fan. Big fan. All right, and then this is not fabric. So here's day 3 of this. Oh, it's a Christmas pattern. How cute. It is a Swiss Christmas quilt pattern. And it has that little tree on there that's very cute, and all the plus signs. That is cute. I like it. Will I make it? I don't know, but it's nice to have, and I'll definitely read it because I read quilt patterns as a quilt pattern writer. I hope that wasn't too loud. I think my microphone's been loud, so hopefully I wasn't just killing your ears. So yeah, so what a fun little surprise. So we've got 2 fat quarters and a pattern so far, and then the stuff from the other box. So, all right, I'll see you in a couple days where we open up the next day. This is so fun and so much fun to look forward to. All right, bye.